Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting a lot of really good reviews from all of the different Jurassic World the game characters, and I've been doing a lot of dinosaurs, but they also have a lot of really cool mammals in the game too. So for today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a level 40 mammoth from Jurassic World the game. So if you guys have any other characters you'd like me to try from the game, please let me know. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 mammoth, we're going to begin with the eye. I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a little line that goes up and then over like this. Next, we're going to make a small circular shape like this for the eye. Then right above here, we're going to draw a little curved line for the eyebrow. Starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve down like this. Then I'm going to make like a zigzag line across, and then I'm going to curve it back up. Now starting here, we're going to make the tusk. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down, I'm going to add a little line that curves up and then down. Then we're going to draw another little line that goes up and then it's going to come down. And then we're going to add another long one, and then I'm going to bring this back all the way to here. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to come in. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here to the tusk. It's going to jump over, and it's going to come out like this. Next, I'm going to bring it back and curl it around. And then I'm going to bring it right up here towards the tusk. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line down, and then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down to show where that other tusk is. Now, starting up here, we're going to draw kind of like a zigzag line to make it look like it's kind of shaggy. And then we're going to curl this up for the face. Now, as I come up here, I'm going to draw this line up, and I'm going to draw a couple little spiky lines. I'm going to bring them up here, and I'm going to kind of curl them back. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curl down, and then it's going to come right up here into this line for the ear. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then in, and then it's going to hook around here for the inside of the ear. Now, starting right here, we're going to add some more kind of pointed zigzag lines. And I'm going to bring these down to here. Next, I'm going to add a few more. I'm going to curl them into here. And then I'm going to add a few more, and they're going to angle down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a kind of pointed zigzag line that goes down, and then it's going to come up. And right here, we're going to add a zigzag line that goes down. Next, we're going to make a line that goes down. It's going to curve around and then come up for a toe. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw another one right here, does the same thing. Then I'm going to draw one right over here behind this other one. I'm going to connect it here, draw a line that goes out, and then I'm going to add some zigzag lines that come up here. Next, I'm going to add some zigzag lines across here, and then I'm going to curve a line up here. Now, starting here, we're going to add some more lines going down, and then we'll do the same thing for this back foot. So we'll draw that kind of oval shape here, draw a little line, add another one here, and then we'll put one more behind here. I'm going to draw a line out, and I'm going to bring a zigzag line all the way up towards this little curve here. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and then I'm going to add a zigzag line back for some fur. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to kind of curve back like this. I'm going to make a little curved line right here for a toe. One more here. We'll add one more on this side. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then back here. Now right back here we'll draw another zigzag line down. I'll draw a little oval shape. One more here. Draw a line over, and then we'll just bring it up. You can add one more right there. Now we just want to add some details onto our level 40 Wooly Mammoth. I'm going to add some little lines underneath the eye here. And then I'm going to make some little lines going right across the trunk. I'll add a little line that curls out and then comes back here. I'm going to add some longer lines that are kind of broken that go right around here for the top of the hair on the mammoth. I'm going to make some long broken lines going right along the edge of the tusk here. And then in some spots I'm going to add a few extra longer lines just to give it a little bit more detail. I like to use my markers or colored pencils, whatever I'm using to color with, to really add a lot of these details, but I will kind of come in here and add a few little lines in some different spots over here. We're going to put some on up here by where the tusk comes out. And I'm just going to put these in some few spots, kind of like on the back sides of the legs, and maybe some spots underneath the body here. Nothing too crazy. You can always add a few little extra detail lines around some little edges in here. I'm going to add a few quick lines onto the toes, just for some texture on here. Maybe a few lines over here, and maybe a line or two down the face. And here you go. Here is your drawing of a level 40 Wooly Mammoth from Jurassic World, the game. We'll add a little pupil in there. Please let me know if you guys are liking these videos and if you want to see more dinosaurs. There are definitely lots of them in there, so I can keep adding as many as you guys like. But I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.